Nah, you're fine. Drama queen.
No.
This shit happening.
My snow scraper's not in the car.
Well, as long if there's a foot of it, then I'm good.
Bye.
If we get a foot, then damn, this is the first time. Oh yeah, it's good. You know, I'm just saying though, I don't like snow unless there's gonna be a foot of it.
Why?
Because then we can ride the snowmobile.
Yeah, but all the trails are closed.
When they open. September 1st. Oh, shit.
Man, we gotta wait a whole fucking month, man.
Yeah.
Damn. We're gonna have to go bombing through Farmers Field. Driving down the side of the road and shit, man. Be like some outlaw snowmobilers.
But he was like, they didn't even want to pay like $110 a square. And then,
Ooh. I should have grabbed another layer. I'm only in a sweater. Man.
Make the fucking money, you know?
Alright, just got back from Kalamazoo a little bit ago. Well, you got tangled, Mika. Figures. Hang on. Right now, it is 33 degrees out. Thankfully, the roads did not ice up yet between here and Kalamazoo. But I got a feeling that they will here in a little while. Just letting dogs out right now so that they can go potty. So, yeah. Got quite a bit of snow on the Chevy. Not a crap ton on the ground. You could still see some green. I'll have to check out the front yard after I'm done letting dogs out. Yeah. My neighbor's already got Christmas decorations up. Still quite a bit of, well, not quite a bit of snow on my truck, but decent amount. There you go. Just activated the light on my camera. Couldn't activate it while I was recording, so yeah. It's only supposed to continue for a few days. Yeah, the roads still aren't icy yet. I mean, I'm not complaining, but yeah, they're still pretty much wet. I just felt it with my boot. Yeah.